Aala Hazrat been at such a rank, Aala Hazrat been Mujaddid of their time, Aala Hazrat speaking fluent Arabic at 3 years old, Aala Hazrat doing a bayan at 6 years old in Arabic language, or 2 hours on the subject of Milad, Aala Hazrat, writing Hashi on Hidayat al-Nahwa A, Aala Hazrat giving their first fatwa 14, all these karamat, yet still Aala Hazrat had to do bad with somebody. This shows you why it is so important to give your hand in the court of a wali. And Aala Hazrat, when they went to Shah Ali Rasul Maharadavi, is there Re in there as well? When they went to Maharada, the Buzurg and different scholars have told this in different ways. And some said that Shah Ali Rasul came out to welcome Sayyidi Aala Hazrat. And once Aala Hazrat did bayat with them, they opened all the ways and they gave them the khilafat of their silsila as well. And obviously there are Buzurgan, other people there as well. And one Buzurg comes, he says, look, we've been practicing here for 20 years, 30 years, all this long. And this kid comes yesterday.
22-year-old.
Allahu Akbar. And you give him the khilafat straight away. And they said, all my life I've seen your hearts and I was trying to give you wazaif so your hearts get cleansed and you reach this stage. This child, this young man, he came in such a way that his heart was pure clean. Some scholars have even said his heart, his inside was such, it was dry sticks. I just needed to ignite the fire in there. And this was Aala Hazrat. Then you saw.
There's actually something that Aala Hazrat said before meeting Shah Ali Rasul, rahimahullah ta'ala. Anybody that has heard of that, subhanallah.
When Sidi Aala Hazrat Rahma arrived in that city, and then he says that I smell the scent of a wali kamil, a murshid kamil, a true wali. So that obviously shows at that point as well, Sidi Aala Hazrat Rahma, what status he possesses, that he's able to sense that. And also, Brother Shiraz mentioned that when Aala Hazrat Rahma gave bay'ah, he did not just get ijaza, permission in one silsila, but all the salasil that Sidi Shah Ali Rasul Rahmatullah Ali had permission for, he granted him the permission.